Hello! Hi dear friends, in today's video I will share with you my statistics, how much jewelry making YouTube channel can make with almost 11,000 subscribers. And let's dive into the statistics. As you can see here, in last 28 days I have 23 pounds. My monetization was approved on the 10th of May 2022, and for this almost 1.5 years I have earned 372 pounds, which is not a lot at all. For 21,000 views I got 23 pounds. And here you can see how much I earned on October, September, August, July, June and May. And as you can see, it is not more than 20 pounds. So this month will be my best month, it will be 23 pounds. And I got it from the watch page ads and short feeds. Short feeds, as you can see, there's only 50 cents. And we see here that revenue for every 1,000 views I get on my channel, I earn only 3 pounds. So why I'm sharing this? It's because if you're thinking to start a YouTube channel which is about tutorials, jewelry making, you should not rely on that you will make a full-time income on YouTube ads. I was so excited and inspired by other YouTube creators who showed that they get like 3,000–5,000 a month from the YouTube ads, but it is because they're speaking about monetization of YouTube, about YouTube itself or Instagram or different platforms. They speak about money, they speak about YouTube features and all that stuff, and their CPM is almost 15, sometimes $50 or pounds per 1,000 clicks. But as you can see, 3 pounds, and it's quite good for jewelry making industry. So I mean, my YouTube channel, even if I have a quite large audience, which is 11,000 people, I still don't get enough money out of the YouTube or any brand deals, and my channel exists only on my enthusiasm, because I really like what I do, and I see my students that they are making a nice beautiful jewelry. And yeah, and if you want to start your YouTube channel, think twice about niche. If you are jewelry making artist and you are creating jewelry, you should understand that it will be very hard to make living out of YouTube on this niche. I hope that after some time, when maybe I will have my first 100,000 subscribers, I will record video about my statistics as well, and hopefully it will be much better than now. But for now, I love my YouTube channel, I like what I do, and only that's why I continue to do it. Of course, sometimes I lose my motivation. All this world is energy, and when you don't have enough energy to continue, it's sometimes really frustrating. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a lovely day. Bye!